Are you facing sexual difficulties? Is that causing to infertility? Watch this video till the end to know how you can treat most of the issues at home. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates related to IVF. One would think that in this day and age, where everyone has free access to the internet, most adults would be very well informed about sexuality as well as fertility. But unfortunately, the number of myths and misconceptions in this space is mind-boggling. In fact, the internet has exacerbated the problem of misinformation because a lot of the sex education that teenagers get is through watching porn online. This misleads them, and they have a very distorted perception of the truth. An even bigger problem is that they don't even realize how little they know, as a result of which they continue to remain clueless. Others get snippets of facts from friends or advice from aunties who don't know too much themselves but think of themselves as being experts just because they have made a baby in their own bedroom. This is one of the reasons why sexual problems such as premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and vaginismus have become such common issues of childlessness. These issues are swept under the carpet, partly because patients don't know how to describe them, partly because they don't volunteer this information because they are ashamed, and partly because doctors don't have enough time or empathy to be able to ask questions about these sensitive issues to be able to get at the truth. The problem festers and becomes worse over time because it is caused by psychological issues, and these become self-fulfilling prophecies. The poor couple have absolutely no idea how to get out of this chakravyuh, and because it's such a touchy subject, they don't have the courage to resolve it because they don't know how to find reliable information about this topic. There are many quacks out there, both online and in the real world, who take these gullible, ignorant, and vulnerable couples for a ride. The good news is that these are extremely easy problems to solve, and you need to have the confidence that you can fix them for yourself in your own bedroom. A very useful tip to remember is that you need to differentiate between baby, making sex, and having sex for giving each other sexual pleasure. If you try to combine the two, especially when you have sexual difficulties, you will just end up making the problem even worse. These problems need to be solved one step at a time, and it can take time to solve psychological issues. This is why setting your priorities is so important. If getting pregnant is your primary goal, then you can use mutual masturbation to give each other sexual pleasure and utilize self-insemination to get pregnant quickly. Don't try to optimize making love with making babies at the same time. This will just waste precious time and create more angst and frustration. Remember that there is no correlation between sexual pleasure and fertility. After all, even a woman who gets raped can get pregnant. Making babies is a simple biological process, and you shouldn't confuse orgasm, sex, and fertility. Was this video helpful to you? Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the new notifications related to IVF. Thank you.